Hey, welcome back to our next tutorial. I want to show you real quick, I'm going to minimize this. You'll notice these two icons that are here on my desktop, how they're different. You'll notice also that one of them is named CS Test and Test Student and Dr. SGA Chrome. This is what two instances of Chrome on your PC desktop looks like. You'll have the one that is for your student account, and then you might have some for personal accounts or other things like that. I recommend separating them like this, like I specified in the previous video, because it makes things a lot easier when you're trying to do things and make sure that you're in the right account for classwork. So when you open your particular instance of Chrome that is associated with your classroom, what you may initially see is something that looks similar to this. You may or may not have a bookmarks bar here. I would recommend turning it on. To turn on the bookmarks bar, you come over here. There's usually a little icon here. I've got extensions that need to be enabled or disabled, so that's why I've got that little icon. But down here under bookmarks, I've got the show bookmarks bar. And if I click it, it'll show my bookmarks bar. I've also got access to other settings, etc., that I can access. But remember, in the last tutorial, I told you to make sure that these two icons over here match. The top one is the instance of Chrome that you're in. The bottom one is the account. And if you hover over, you can see that we are in the right account. This is what's called basically a start tab, or a basic tab, or a new tab in Google Chrome. So if you ever get confused, or if you've got stuff open up here on top, or if you've got a window open that you really don't know where to go, click this little plus sign. It'll open a new tab, and you can close whatever else may be open. And that kind of gets you back to what we call a default state or a beginning state. You'll have the little Google display of the day with their little search bar. But you'll also have over here a Gmail button, an images button, and then you'll have what we call the waffle, which it says Google Apps. We call it the waffle because it looks kind of like a little square waffle. Okay, and what you're going to do if you want to access your student Gmail, since you're already logged into this instance of Google Chrome, you're simply going to click Gmail. And what that will do is that will open up your student email. Just like in this one, I'm in CS Test Student, so it opens up that email. You'll notice here also that when I do that, it pulls up a different looking icon, but the little circular icon is still the same, and it's got the Scholars Guild Academy logo here as well. Okay, so I'm in my Gmail, and you'll notice across the top I've got a question mark, which is a support button. I've got a gear, which is my settings for Gmail, and then again I've got the waffle, which says Google Apps. The waffle is going to follow you most likely whenever you're logged into something that is G Suite based, because that gives you access to the various apps in Google. If you click on the waffle, you'll find that you have access to a lot of the basic stuff that you're going to be using on a regular basis. Here we've got our mail, we've got our Google Drive, we've got our Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Sheets, our calendar, our Google Meet shortcut. We've also down here got Google Forms, Google Photos, Jamboard if your teacher's using that, and then down at the bottom may be some other stuff that may or may not be installed domain-wide. But if you are logged into the correct instance, which is the top icon, and the correct account for your school account, which is the bottom icon, if those two match, whenever you click on any of these things within the waffle, it's going to open them up and automatically log you in using this account. So if I click on Classroom, it's going to open another tab, and it's going to open up Classroom, and it's going to show whatever classes I may be in. Okay, you'll notice across the top it tells me I'm in Google Classroom. It shows me my various classes, and then over here to the right, again, I've got my waffle. I've also got my icon, which shows my account, and my upper icon, which shows the instance stays the same. Okay, so anything that I open, if I want to go to my Google Drive, I click Drive. It logs me in to the Google Drive for this Scholars Guild Academy account. And if you'll notice up top, this icon remains your scholarsguild.net account. So as you go through the various apps that you have access to through the waffle, you'll notice that that will follow and you'll be logged in appropriately. If you are logged into a different account, meaning you're in the right instance but you're in a different account, odds are when you click on something in the waffle, it's going to log you into the improper account. So make sure these icons are the same, and you will do perfectly fine and have no trouble getting into things for class. If you do have any trouble, please contact administration and we'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.